In today's video, I will show you how you can connect Supabase to your Replit AI project. So firstly, you want to open your project. So I have this currency converter and we want to type prompt like connect Supabase like this, then hit enter. And Replit asks us that there is no Supabase integration. And in order to connect it, we need to obtain API key and URL from your Supabase project to connect. So you want to check, I have my Supabase URL and API key ready, let me provide them. Then click send. And the next step, I will show you how you can find those credentials. So the first thing is the anon key. So Supabase anon key and Supabase URL. So I will open Supabase and you want to make sure that your project is active and it's not like paused. So you want to click on those three dots, then settings. And here in the top, you should see button connect. Open it. Then choose from this menu API keys. And here you can see your project URL. So I'm going to copy firstly URL, paste it in the Supabase URL, and also the anon key. So make sure to copy anon key, paste it in the anon key field, then click continue. And this should connect our Supabase to Replit AI. And now our connection is successful, but the table with the conversion history doesn't exist yet in the Supabase. So if you want to make it work, we need to go to Supabase dashboard and open the SQL editor. Then we want to run this SQL. So you can copy this code. And we're gonna create a new table and then run this SQL code. So I will go to Supabase. From here, you want to go SQL editor on the left side. And I'm gonna paste the code and run. Once you did this, you want to open table editor. And from here, we should be able to see conversion history. All right, so it is here. And this is how you can connect your Supabase to Replit AI. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.